Kevin Sears' camper tricycle is one of the most unique and eye-catching mobile homes ever built. Imagine a tiny house on 3 wheels, fully functional and designed to be a self-contained living space. It's a fusion of art, engineering, and an adventurous spirit, turning heads wherever it goes. This unusual creation isn't just a conversation starter. It's a statement about mobility, independence, and the idea of home itself. At first glance, it looks like a cross between a traditional rickshaw and a tiny camper. But every inch of it has been thoughtfully designed to maximize space and functionality. Kevin Sears, an artist known for his fascination with vehicles and alternative living spaces, built this pedal-powered camper as a creative response to modern housing challenges and the idea of nomadic living. Unlike traditional campers that rely on gasoline, this tricycle is human-powered, making it an eco-friendly way to travel while carrying everything you need. The camper tricycle is small, but that's part of its charm. It's compact enough to be pedaled through urban streets, yet sturdy enough to provide real shelter from the elements. The enclosed structure features a cozy interior that includes a bed, storage space, and even small amenities to make life on the go comfortable. It's a mix of practicality and whimsy, making it look like something straight out of a futuristic survival story. What makes Kevin Sears' design so compelling is how it reimagines personal space. In a world where housing prices continue to rise and people are looking for more sustainable ways to live, the camper tricycle presents an alternative lifestyle that challenges conventional ideas. You don't need a big house or an expensive van to have an adventure. Just a strong pair of legs and a spirit for exploration. Pedaling this mobile home might not be as fast as driving a car, but that's part of the experience. It forces you to slow down and take in your surroundings. Unlike traditional RVs, this tricycle is small enough to navigate through tight spaces, making it ideal for urban exploration. It's also an off-grid solution, requiring no fuel or electricity, which means it has virtually zero environmental impact. The structure of the camper is made from lightweight materials, keeping it manageable for paddling. The exterior is designed to be durable, protecting against rain and wind while offering enough ventilation for comfort. Inside, the space is carefully optimized to store essentials without feeling cramped. Though minimalistic, it has everything a traveler needs: room for a small sleeping area, storage compartments, and even a place to cook simple meals. One of the most interesting aspects of the camper tricycle is its artistic influence. Kevin Sears is not just an innovator but also a visual artist, and his works often explore the relationship between humans and their vehicles. His fascination with mobile shelters and alternative living has led to creations like this, that blur the line between art and function. His camper tricycle isn't just a practical invention, it's a commentary on freedom, self-reliance, and the ever-changing definition of home. The idea of a pedal-powered mobile home taps into a larger trend of micro-living and van life. More and more people are looking for ways to escape traditional housing and embrace a simpler, more flexible lifestyle. But Kevin Sears' design takes it a step further, removing the need for fuel, reducing environmental impact, and making travel even more personal. It's not just about moving from one place to another. It's about experiencing the journey in the most direct way possible. Despite its small size, the camper tricycle sparks big conversations. It makes people think about how much space they really need to live comfortably. Could a tiny, self-sufficient home on wheels be the answer to modern housing struggles? Could we see more of these human-mounted mobile homes in the future? These are the kinds of questions Kevin Sears' creation brings to life. Of course, there are challenges. Pedaling with a camper attached requires effort, especially on long distances or uphill roads. Weather conditions can also be a factor, as rain and wind make cycling more difficult. But for those who embrace adventure and unconventional living, these are just small hurdles in a much larger journey. The camper tricycle is also a work of art that showcases the power of human creativity. In a world dominated by mass-produced vehicles, this handcrafted, one-of-a-kind creation stands out as something truly original. It's a reminder that innovation doesn't always have to be high-tech. Sometimes, the most brilliant ideas come from looking at things differently. This project is more than just a mode of transport, it's a vision of the future. A future where people can live more freely, with less impact on the environment, and with a greater connection to their surroundings. Kevin Sears' camper tricycle isn't just an experiment, it's an inspiration for anyone looking to break away from the norm and redefine what home means. In a world that's always rushing, always upgrading, always demanding more, the camper tricycle invites us to slow down, to embrace simplicity, to travel at our own pace, and most importantly, to rethink what we truly need to be happy.